Hi everyone, we are today at Benagil Beach, which is famous for its incredible sea cave known as Benagil Cave, or it is also called Algarve de Benagil in Portugal. The beach itself is beautiful sandy patch surrounded by stunning cliffs. The turquoise Atlantic Ocean waves crash onto the shore creating a tranquil scene. However, it is the pace to get the boat trips into the caves that draw a lot of visitors to this place. Please note that while you can swim to the cave from the Benagil beach, it is not recommended due to the strong currents, boat traffics, and potentially rough seas. The best and safest way to explore the cave is by joining guided boat tours, which takes you not only to the Benagil cave but also to the nearest caves around this area. Beyond the beach and the cave, Benagil is the small traditional village which offers a choice of nice restaurants and accommodations. Benagil Beach, with its natural beauty and the stunning sea cave, is a must-visit destination for nature lovers, adventure seekers visiting in this place. So we came here on Benagil Caves and bad luck. It's raining.